Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming your Lenovo's input method and enabling the touchpad. First, locate the touchpad and any physical buttons near the spacebar. Make sure touchpad is enabled via the FN key or Windows settings. Once done, position your hand so your index finger hovers over the lower right corner. This is the default right-click zone on many Lenovo models. Practice a light tap versus a press so you understand how your specific chassis registers a right-click. Now you'll perform right-clicks in different ways and learn why each works. If you have a precision touchpad, tap with 2 fingers to open context menus. Alternatively, single-finger tap in the lower right corner simulates right-click on many Lenovo models. If your laptop has physical buttons, press the right button for a more deliberate click. Make sure to adjust sensitivity and gesture settings in Windows so your taps aren't misread as drags or accidental clicks. To finish, test right-click across common apps so you're confident it behaves consistently. If it's inconsistent, update the touchpad driver using Lenovo Vantage or Device Manager. Driver fixes resolve many gesture issues. If the touchpad remains unresponsive, toggle it off and on in settings, clean around the pad to remove debris, and inspect for physical damage. One troubleshooting tip: if clicks still fail after software steps, try an external USB mouse to isolate whether the problem is hardware-related.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.